Buongiorno. We are headed to Siena, a medieval town about an hour and a half south of Firenze or Florence. We are in Siena and I'm going to take you through the streets of this beautiful town. As you walk beautiful streets of this town, you see many beautiful pieces of architecture. You stumble upon things like this beautiful cathedral.
Wow.
Breathtaking, isn't it? It was an awesome experience exploring places like this Piazza del Capo. Look at the masonry work, the architecture, and I can almost imagine myself in that era.
I'm seeing these packets everywhere in most of the bakeries, and I was curious. And this is a specialty from Siena. It's called Panforte. And there are different kinds, some made with almonds, some with chocolate, some with almonds and chocolate, and some with walnuts. So very interesting. I'm going to give it a try. This is what it looks like.
All right, so let's see how to make that Siena special Panforte in our kitchen.
I've taken here some hazelnuts and some almonds, and I'm going to roast them. You can take any nuts you want, but these are the traditional nuts that are used in the traditional recipe. We have some all-purpose flour here, to which we are going to add our spices. There's ground coriander, nutmeg, cinnamon, and clove. It's a very warm mixture, warm spices mixture, and it's perfect for the winter. We will mix all the spices in the flour. In this recipe, we use a large amount of honey, and I'm going to use this local honey that a friend of mine has given me. It's beautifully fragrant. It has a scent of fennel, a few tablespoons of water, and some sugar. We will cook this mixture of honey, sugar, and water about 2 to 3 minutes. You don't want to get it too boiling. We're going to add our roasted nuts to our flour along with these candied fruits called tutti frutti. You know how we grew up in India eating tutti frutti? We used to call it tutti frutti. It means all fruits in Italian. Tutti frutti. So it has some oranges, some citron, some melon, and that's what makes this fruit and nut cake really yummy. Till all the fruits and nuts are coated with the spiced flour mixture we have. I have prepared a pan, a spring foam pan with a parchment paper and butter and flour. We will pour our mixture in this. The sugar is completely dissolved. I don't feel anything, and it's been boiling for a couple of minutes. Now I'm going to turn it off and add it to the flour mixture. I'm adding the honey and sugar mixture to my flour and nut mixture. And we have to work very quickly because this mixture is going to get hard really quick. I have poured the mixture in our pan and I'm going to smooth it out. I've put all the mixture in the prepared pan and I've leveled it. Now I'm going to dust it with powdered sugar before it's baked in the oven.
So here we have our Siena special Panforte ready. It tastes amazing and super easy to make. Give it a try at home, guys, and let me know how you like it. Thanks for watching.